Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MySQL Workbench on AlmaLinux OS 9.6, but the process is same on all AlmaLinux versions. Then we will connect to MySQL Server. First open any web browser, then go to mysql.com, then click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads. See here we have the MySQL Workbench, click on it. Then select the operating system. See here we don't have AlmaLinux, but select the Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Then download this package, that is Workbench Community 8.0.42 RPM package under this 9 version. Click on download. No thanks, just start my download. See, download started. Its size is only 49 megabytes. Okay, in meantime please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, go to downloads directory, ls. See here we have the RPM package. You have to install it. Sudo dnf install. Now give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name, or just copy this one, select it and copy the RPM package name, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Type for confirmation. See here it is installing MySQL Workbench Community Edition 8.0.42 and these dependencies. Type and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to activities, show applications, then go to next page. See here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it. Now see here we have the, by default it has created connection, but if you want to create new connection, click on here. Then provide name MySQL 8. I have installed MySQL Server 8 installed on this PC. So give localhost, then port number 3306, root is, username is root. Provide the password of this root account. Then click on OK. Then click on test connection. See, successfully made to the connection. Then click on OK. Then click on the connection. If you go to, see here we have the two options, administration and schemas. See here we have this bank database. If you want to run queries, just run, select, then use database name, select star from customer. I have a table customer. Select both the queries, click on execute. See, we got the output. Okay, if you want to create users, again go to this administration tab. Let me maximize it. Go to administration tab. See here we have the users and privileges. If you want to create user, click on add account. Okay, so we have successfully installed MySQL Workbench and connected to MySQL Server. Ls, this file is not required anymore. Rm, give MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install MySQL Workbench on AlmaLinux OS 9.6. Then we have connected to MySQL Server. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.